Hello everyone. This video will give you idea about single node Flume deployment, and this configuration let a user generate events and subsequent logs them to the console. So it is a very basic idea behind it. So first thing first, what you need is you need to install Apache Flume from the Apache website. Go to Mozilla Firefox and find out apache.org. There you will find a project tab. In projects you will find there are a number of projects given by Apache. So just go to F and click on Flume. So you in a Flume you will find various things as mentioned over here. From the left side go to download, and from download you will find here it is mentioned Apache Flume binary tar.gz, and second is Apache Flume source tar.gz. We don't want a source, we just want Apache Flume binary tar.gz, and from this we can download it. Click on it, go to any of the link, just hit anything and try to download it. Have a look at, and we can save this file. So in my case it is of 50 MB only. In my case I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it once again. So have a look at where exactly it is downloaded for me. So it's a download folder. It will download in a download folder, and then extract it. I have already extracted it, and it is showing you Apache Flume 1.6.0 bin. So exactly it is a binary of it. Then in that it has so many folders specifically named as a bin folder, connect folder. So what we are interested in these three folders like bin, config and lib. So go through bin folder. Bin has a Flume -ng, and here in Flume -ng is a particular agent that we want to run every time. And for this particular thing, have a look at everything is mentioned in this particular file. So it is a Flume agent. So this is what first thing. Then second is a Flume-ng.cmd and Flume-ng.ps1. So these are the three files which are included in the bin folder. Then go to the conf. Conf included 4 files where Flume-conf.properties.template. So in some cases we don't need that much lengthy name, so we can go for a Flume-conf.properties. And one more important file in this particular folder is Flume-env.sh. Same thing you might have seen in the Hadoop. It was -env.sh. So yes, in some cases. Now this particular thing, for this particular example, I don't need to change anything over here. Otherwise I would have made it a Flume-env.sh. So it depends from person to person and from example to example whether you want to change it or not. So I am not gonna change it. I will keep as it is. So this is all about this is what the library folder where all the jar files are residing. For some examples you might have, or you might need to download some extra files, or you need to change some files. So basically I don't need this kind of a thing in this particular example. Then I will go to terminal. Now I will check the path of that. Yeah, it was in a download folder, so it was a download and Apache. So here you will find Apache hyphen flume 1.6.0 hyphen bin is binary, not the bin folder. Bin is binary. Then hit enter and ls, and you will find the same thing that we have mentioned earlier. Bin, then docs, conf, tools, lib, everything. So now the first thing is we want to start with the Hadoop agent. So how exactly we need to start? So an agent is started using a shell script called flume-ng, which is located in the bin directory of the Flume distribution as I shown you. Then you need to specify the agent name, the config directory and the config file on the command line. So everything, as I said and I have shown you, that we need to mention. So have a look at, before doing that we need to start our all the demands which are necessary to run anything on the Hadoop. So I'll start with the start -all.sh and have a look at, if you don't want to go for all the daemons, you don't want to start all the daemons, then you can start with the start-dfs.sh. okay, that is what a necessary thing that you need. And yeah, start. So basically doing the start hyphen all. Okay, so it is a starting name node on localhost and it is starting the name node. Now it is showing me certain thing like localhost name node running process and stop it first. So actually my daemons were already in a starting position, so it is showing me error. Not exactly error, it is showing me a warning like yeah, the already my name node and yarn the daemons all already in started condition. So yeah, I can make it a stop hyphen all dot sh. So first I will yeah stop them, and then once again I will start it. That is not necessary, even if I made it a start hyphen all dot sh, they are all on. So but for a basic level I am doing all these things. So have a look at localhost stopping name node, localhost stopping data node, stopping name nodes on the local host, then stopping secondary nodes, stopping yarn daemons, then stopping resource manager, and then stopping node manager, no proxy server to stop. Okay, it's fine. Now it's all done, and then I will start all dot sh. So this script is deprecated, but instead use, yeah, it is showing instead use start hyphen dfs.sh or start hyphen yarn.sh. So it depends on you. Have a look at localhost, starting name nodes on localhost, then starting name node, then starting data node, then starting secondary name node, starting secondary name node. So everything starting yarn daemon. So everything is done now. So now it's time to start with the Flume agent. Yeah, have a look at, I have already set the thing. Have a look at it's yeah, let it be started first. Yes, have a look at what I did is, yeah, it's a Apache hyphen flume, and this is what the particular folder which is there in the downloads. And then I entered in the bin, so bin slash flume and hyphen ng agent. So as I said, okay, ng flume agent is there in the bin folder, so we need to give the path of that, and then agent name, and then conf, and as I shown you, a flume hyphen conf dot properties dot template is there in the conf folder. So same path we need to provide. So now it's already started. So first thing that we have done is we have started and checked whether it is making on the flume agent or not. Then for this particular thing, we need one example. So I have created one file called as example.conf. So the example.conf is I mentioned with these many parameters. Have a look at what parameters I have mentioned in it. So if you want, you can write in the comment section. I will provide you the link of this particular file. So have a look at and name the components on this agent. So agent is a1, then source I have named, then agent is a1, sinks is a k1. So like everything I have mentioned, the channel is named as a c1, and then the configuration of the source we have done. So source, the type is a netcat as I said, then the bind is a local host. On a local host we want to work on, and then the port number is given as a 44444. So this is a particular port number. Then the sync we generally go for, so type of sync is a logger. So from a logger we need to enter the values, then the where the values will be holded. So use a channel which buffers event in the memory, so that particular memory will hold the value for a temporary time. Then channel c1 type memory, then capacity is 1000, and transaction capacity is 100. Then bind the source to the sync, not exactly binding a source to the sync, but it is a sync and source which are apart, which will be bind to the channel. So a1 is the agent, then source, have a look at, source is named as r1, and the channel is a c1, and then sync is k1, have a look at, it's a k1, and channel is c1. So everything is done. Then save the file, fine, and put that file in the conf folder or anywhere you would like to. So I have kept it in a Apache Flume 1.6 bin. So I have not kept this file in the conf folder. So doesn't matter if I keep that in a conf folder, then what I need to do is I need to give a path of this particular file. Okay, then everything is done. Now we'll go for the command prompt, and from there we'll try to run a command. Okay, first I will clear it for you. Okay, so everything will be very properly visible to all of you, and have a look at, yes, it's a bin again, because Flume agent is in a bin folder. Then conf, then example .conf, as we are in the Apache Flume folder only, so there is no need to give any kind of a part to the example.conf. Or if I would have put this file into conf folder, then I need to provide the path as well, but in my case it is not. It's your choice where you want to put this particular file, and then hit enter. So have a look at, including Hadoop libraries, then for HDFS access, then have a look at, it is name a1, it is a agent name, and then yeah, have a look at from this particular thing, name c1, that is a channel name, is successfully registered. then you will find, yeah, it is starting sync K1, then channel C1 started, then starting source R1. This then you will find a created server socket, and you will find it is a 127.0.0.1 and port number 44444. So these are the two things that we have mentioned in the example file. Have a look at, it's a localhost. In my case, localhost is nothing but this value is 127.0.0.1, and here you will find it's a port number, and you will find, yeah, it's a port number mentioned over here. Now it's fine, now it is waited for any event to occur. Now what I will do is I will open one more terminal. Have a look at, yes, it is opened over here. So I will make it more accurate for you to have visualized. Okay, then I will come out here. It shows Apache Flume folder, so I will come out of it. Yeah, now I will telnet. What I want to tell telnet is localhost and port number 44444. So have a look at, yeah, it is trying 127.0.0.1 and connected to the localhost. Okay, now it is working very well, and it is connected to the localhost as well. Now I need to type in something, say hi, how are you? Okay, now I will hit enter and it will show okay, and have a look at, there is something changed in the previous terminal. Yeah, now it has given us some event that occurred. Have a look at, we have typed in some other terminal, hi, how are you, and it has flagged same value in the previous terminal. Have a check. Have a look at, it's Nix at Ubuntu, and it's Ubuntu download Apache Flume and build, and you will find okay, these are all the values which are generated for hi, how are you. Like it's Monday, and yeah, it will show it's okay and okay, yeah, and same event is captured over here. So this is all about the first example of a flume, and it is generating a console log for you. So that's all. Thank you very much.